Talk about prevention now, because all along we've been saying masks and social distancing. Doctors in the Upstate reiterating that we can all help slow the spread of the virus by wearing masks in public. 7 News reporter Scotty Kay explains why this is so very important.
As restrictions have been lifted and people are starting to congregate again, those with Spartanburg Regional want to remind folks to continue following the guidelines they've been advocating since the beginning of the pandemic. And now more than ever, they're encouraging folks to wear masks just like this one, saying it's how we'll keep each other safe and it's just the right thing to do. Testing sites are popping up around the Upstate.
Been busy throughout this entire event. We typically average about 150 tests a day at this type site. And we've continued to see that volume.
And health officials say they're getting a better look at the impact coronavirus has had on our area.
It's a big deal. That's gone up since about 5% before we reopened. So almost a tripling in the number of positive cases.
Dr. LOMBARDOZZI says Spartanburg and Greenville are considered hot spots.
It's real and it's serious. People have been hospitalized and people have died. So anything we can do to prevent it, we continue to need to do that. Don't let your guard down.
To mitigate the spread, Dr. LOMBARDOZZI says we must stick to the basics.
6 feet of distancing, wear your mask, hand hygiene. If you're sick, stay home.
They're putting an extra emphasis on wearing a mask.
These are the modalities that are going to protect us as we move through this pandemic.
But he says simply wearing one is not enough. You must wear it properly.
This is not a protective way to wear a mask. Underneath your chin just doesn't do it. We've got to make sure your nose is covered. Right? These are going to be ineffective at protecting you.
Health officials say cloth masks like this are a good idea because they're easy to wash and reuse, and since there's no longer a shortage in masks, they suggest that you have more than one. That way you can leave one at home, at work, and in your car, and you'll always be prepared. In Spartanburg, Scotty Kay, 7 News.
Doctors with Spartanburg Regional alone say that they're treating about 30 COVID-19 patients right now. They're hoping by getting everyone to wear a mask, that number will go down.